Welcome to my channel. This is your girl Jen. I'm here to do the Ipsy unboxing of October. So I'm gonna show you what I got. See some nice little goodies. So this month is October. And straight out the box, I'm gonna show you what I got. The first thing that I got that I was excited about because I picked it is Dr. Brandt's Microdermabrasion Exfoliator. This right here is, how many ounces is this? This is 2 ounces and this is $79. And I'm so excited to try it because I got the wash, I got the mask, and now I got this. So that's good. Second thing I'm gonna show you is the Lovecraft Beauty Bronzer Palette. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. And this is $30. This is a bronzer palette. I'm not too good with palettes, like bronzer palettes, but I'm gonna try it and see how it works. This is what it looks like inside. Those are the colors. I can't even pronounce the colors, but they're like browns, like a pinkish brownish, and like a nude. So that, like I said, was $30. The next thing I'm gonna show you is, this is called Jolie Spectra Stick in Stella. Stella is the color. This is what it looks like. It's $26. I like the way this looks. So this is how it looks when you open it up. You see this little thing right here, and you just push it, it comes out, you pull it out. This is highlighter, so you could just see and just blend it in your skin. It's a nice little highlight. So we like it. And that was $26. The next thing I got is an eyeliner, $16. And I'm gonna show you, this is the line, see the line right there? I like it because it's really dark. The wand is very flexible, so you can do a lot of nice things with that. The last thing I got in here is Jewel Smith's Power Gloss Duo in Namaste All Day and Serene Queen. This is what it looks like. It's $32. And they're just really lip glosses. But what's cool about it is that the Namaste All Day has a gate power, boosts creativity, harmony, and protection. And the Queen is pink quartz power, boosts clarity, energy, and enhances meditation. So again, this was $32. $32 for this one. I'm gonna show you the colors. I'm not a real lip gloss person, but I will show you. I'm gonna put one on the bottom, one on the top. So the one on the bottom I'm gonna put is Namaste All Day. So not too bad. It's like a pink lip gloss. And the one on the top, this one looks a little more sheer. See, they look the same. So I'm gonna mix them together. Now, one thing I will say, even though I don't like lip glosses that much, this formula is good. This formula is not tacky, it's not too thick, it's not too glossy, it's good. But I'm not a real lip gloss kind of person. But whatever, we like it. Yeah, it's starting to grow on me a lot. Maybe with another color lipstick. You know I can make things work, so let's see. So that was that. I also got an add-on this month, which is this. This is it's called Kismet Buff Sugar Lip Scrub, and it's in the flavor, what is it? Bright and Bubbly. Now, it smells so delicious. You just want to eat it. My skin. But I like it. It's a lip scrub. Who doesn't like a lip scrub, right? I bought it for an add-on for $3, so it wasn't that bad. And that concludes the month of October for Ipsy. Altogether, these products costed $180 and I paid $25. So that's that. Now I'm gonna go into the next video because I'm gonna try to do a Halloween video. All right? Okay, bye. Oh, I almost forgot. Please subscribe, share, and like my channel. I need subscribers, I need followers, I need people to make comments. Please don't be mean though. I'm not a professional. I just like to try different products out and let you know what I think about them. So until then, bye-bye.